RAGINGGILL versus Ebike. Subscribe to the channel.
Do I choose vengeance or e-bikes? Subscribe to the channel. I already rough sketched out my second issue RAGINGGILL. For the most part, still working on some of this story, but I got it all laid out. Still working on some of the dialogue. So far, I still got the two last pages I need to do. Still need to do page 23 and 24. So, alright, let's look at this. We got page 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And 21, 22, 23, 24. We're still working on 23 and 24. Page 23 and 24. And this is a cover. Potential cover layout I'm working on. So let's see how that goes. Can't see that. So on my iPad, I've been doing a lot of the my comic book stuff on my iPad, but my first RAGINGGILL book, I did a traditional pencil, and then I inked it digitally using Infinite Painter, which it was kind of harder to use Infinite Painter because Infinite Painter doesn't have a text tool or anything. So I actually did the text by hand, traditionally lettering, using the whole little lettering tool and everything. And since then, I've been since I got my iPad, I've been using what is it, Procreate to do like this book right here. I'm working on coloring it. Pretty much got all laid out. I still got to do the lettering. I got to letter the pages. This is probably the only page I actually completed with lettering and everything. I still have to letter it. But as you can see, I got 24 pages done. I still got to color some of the pages and finish lettering and work on the cover and the back. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this as the cover. Yeah, I might do another cover. I do like this, but I was thinking I'll probably use this as a poster and do another layout for the cover. But yeah, I finished this book. I just need to go ahead and finish it. I mean, I finish it, but not finish. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but as you can see, I got 24 pages. I just need to actually finish up the pages. And I still need to do a Cavalry Strike Force Team Alpha. Team Alpha. This would be the first team. But what I was thinking about doing with this one also is I'm gonna do the pencils traditionally, and then load the pencils on the pages to be inked and ink it in the program Procreate. And I might use Comic Draw to do the script, lay the script out and add it from this program, because this got a good script program on here where you can write your script in here, and then it'll lay it out on the pages for you in each panel. If you letter it, if you letter the panels correctly and stuff, it will lay it out correctly. But that's what the plan is. I was going to try it out on a high paint and do my second book to RAGINGGILL in high paint. But no, I'm not going to play around. I'm just going to go ahead and do it in Procreate. Use Procreate and Corel Draw to finish it. I was starting on my Android tablet, Samsung, but I think I'm going to go ahead and just use the Procreate. I tend to like that one better. Plus this tablet is bigger. And my eyesight ain't as good as it used to be. So the bigger screen will be better for me. But anyway, yeah. So we're gonna do this one. We're gonna start it off traditionally. So, alright, so this is page 1 right here. We're gonna be working on right now. And guys, I made up my mind. I'm gonna get back into doing videos with my comic book and my comic books and e-bikes in one video, like I started off, combining the two in one video. Trying to get back in the groove of things, man. Kind of down, unless I lost a good friend. The e-bike riding accident. Well, it was a hit and run collision.
RAGINGGILL versus e-bikes. Subscribe to the channel.
Dico riding back from the store, Cap Heights.
On his little, what is it, EV? What is it, EV car seat?
I'm back up here. I like to wash my clothes.
Oh, okay.
But right now I'm on that.
Yeah, you on there. We got an electric scooter. I know I said my thing gonna be e-bikes, but today, a friend of mine, he won this in a raffle, and he let me unbox it for him. It's a Volpam, I think that's how it's pronounced, SPO3 electric scooter. We're gonna take it out of the box, take a look at it.
Fucking exacto knife.
Hey, ain't nothing sharper.
It's like a scalpel.
Yeah, that's my friend in the background. He don't want to be in the video, but now he's talking. All right. So yeah, let's pull this out. See what we're working with. Oh man, it looks nice. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Let's see. This a little package. I would assume this got to be the charger for the battery. So on this page, we got, okay, we got them on the spacecraft, there's aircraft. Sketch. I think I'm gonna change it up some from what I got here. Okay. My hands are going numb already, guys. This carpal tunnel ain't no joke, guys. But I think it's a little more than carpal tunnel. I think I might have some nerve damage stuff going on in my neck. So I'm supposed to be getting a nerve conduction test or whatever you call it, ENG or whatever. Let the erasing begin until you get it right. Alright, curve it like that. I'm not liking this. I'm gonna keep working it until I get it like I want it. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera, please. like these pencil-like erasers. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but so that line, I don't want that line to be, I just want the indication lines right there. I like the hood of the shit. Matter of fact, let's do it like a hood. Okay. Okay, I mean, it doesn't look exactly the same, but wanted to do some modifications for this, the way it's flying. Matter of fact, I might take some of these lines out of it. Alright, it don't have to be perfect because I will, in the inking process, I'll work out fine tune it. Right now I'm just laying in twist line. Some of this stuff is a little crooked. Fix some of that later. Alright, now the big part is the city. So I'm gonna change it up some because the way I had it, I'm gonna put it slightly at a slant. So I'm gonna go reflection thing. I'll try to do the opposite. So I'm just gonna put X's because I'm gonna block that all in. and maybe put some. All right, guys. All right, and then we're gonna put some clouds. Okay, there we go, guys. Can y'all see that? So this is gonna be penciling on page 1. Like I said, it ain't gotta be totally perfect because I'm gonna ink it. And so this is the city of New Tech. So this city, like I said, city of New Tech. I'll work out the little detail a little bit better once I ink it. And I still gotta work on straightening this up. It's not symmetrical like I want it to be. Let's see, maybe. It ain't too bad. Anyway, there you go, page 1, guys. Stay tuned for some e-bike footage to be added in 1, 2, 3. This is my latest Facebook find, Facebook Marketplace find, and it's gonna be used for parts. I needed the back wheel, and also I like these tires, so I might use these tires. And I might use the handlebars, because the Radrunner, those handlebars is pretty long. I don't know if I want to use those or not. These are gray, so I might have to paint these handlebars also, but I might use the handlebars too. Hell, I might even use the crank for the smaller crank. Not the pedals though, but the crank. I might use the crank for the smaller crank.